Okay, 6A6.078 Notice of Requirement Charter of Schools Performance Data. The following provisions have been established to administrate the notice of requirements of Section 1002-3321 Florida State 1 through 30 1002-3321B Florida State statutes apply only to the charter schools that serve at least 10 students who are tested on the statewide assessment of the test pursuant to Section 1008-22 who Florida State statutes not receive a school grade pursuant to Section 1008-34-33C the Florida statutes on the school improvement rating pursuant to the Section 1008, 341, 3 Florida State Statute, the Department shall notify the charter school when students' assessment data, Section 1008, 343C, 1008, 3413, Florida State statute is available. The Department shall notify the charter schools when the comparison data pursuant to Section 1002, 33, 21B3 as Florida State statute is available. The charter school shall report the student assessment data referenced in subsection 2 of this rule writing in the school and letterhead to each of the parent of each of the student at the charter school. The parent of the child waiting the list of for the charter school district in the charter school is located. The charter governing board shall include as applicable percentage of the school meeting height and standards, reading, math, writing, science, the percentage of the students making learning grade gains for reading and math. A percentage of the lowest performing 25 students making learning gains of the reading and the both math for percentages of student tested. The charter school is required to report the student assessment data the required recipient no later than 30 days after the receipt to a notification to the department of the student assessment data is available. Charter schools shall provide the data comparing with the charter school student assessment data within the aggregated student assessment data of traditional public schools within the district aggregated student assessment data of the charter school statewide, the public and at large portion comparison data of the prominent place of the school. Alternative charter schools shall provide the data comparing with the charter school assessment data of the aggregated student assessment data of the alternative schools in state of the public large and posting comparison data in a prominent place on the school site. If the charter school maintains an internet website, the comparison data shall be posted in a prominent place on the website in accordance with Section 1002-31, 1002-3321B3. Florida State statute also comparing with the data posted in accordance with the rules shall be provided with the following grade groupings 3 through 5, 6 through 8, and 9 through 11, and the charter school shall post the comparison data not later than 30 days after the receipt of the notification to the department. The comparison data is available. The comparison data must remain posted throughout the school year following the available data. Rulemaking Authority 1002, 33, 21, 26, Florida State Law, implemented 1002, 33, 21, Florida State History News, 1000, November 11th, November 15th, 2010.